with a trout, clean, nice and neat. Rinse it well, get it ready to eat. Lay it flat, let the prep begin. This baked trout recipe is a win. Take a thin slice of bacon now. Wrap the trout, just show it how. Sprinkle garlic, minced or ground. A little goes all the way around. Add some cayenne if you like some heat, and just a pinch to make it complete. Wrap it up, wrap it tight. Baked trout cooking just right. Butter in the middle, foil all around. Best baked trout can be found. Cut a thin slice of butter bright. Place it in the middle, center just right. It melts inside while the trout bakes through, making it tender, moist and true. Take some foil, cut it wide, enough to fold with overlapping side. Enclose the fish, seal it well, keep all the flavor, don't let it escape. Wrap it up, wrap it tight. Baked trout cooking just right. Butter in the middle, foil all around. Best baked trout can be found. Yes, you can. 350 Fahrenheit is the way, 175 Celsius. Let it stay. Pre-clear 15 minutes, that's the time. Set a timer, it's just fine. To check it's done, here's what you do. The skin should peel off easy and smooth. If it comes off clean from the meat, your big trout's ready. Time to eat. Wrap it up, bake it right. Simple steps, clear and light. Bacon, garlic, butter too. Easy baked trout just for you. Whip it up, simple and clean. Best home cooked fish you've ever seen. Whip it up, simple and clean. Best home cooked fish you've ever seen.